Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how you can create a to-do list in Notion. So let's get straight into it. You will need to get to your profile in notion.so, and right here in private, you will go here to add new. On the left sidebar here, you will see add new button. Next to it is plus button, so click on it. And right here, you can click here to empty page like so. Now we will give it the title to do a list like so. Hit enter, and now we will give a slash. So we will type in to do like so, and I will take it. I think it doesn't matter which one you take, so click on it. And now you can type in, let's say, car, clean house, clean dog, um, maybe go for a walk, like so. And when you're done with this, you can just click it into this checkbox, and yeah, you have created yourself a to-do list. Obviously, you can make it more visual appearing if you want. You can just select it, and then you can play a little bit with these colors right here if you want. So yeah, but this is it, how you can create a to-do list in Notion. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.